classical appearance of the human vagina. Here is another piece of tissue which looks a lot like just about everything else we've seen. Rather boring, rather non-diagnostic of nothing. But you can see it's a stratified squamous mucosa. It's not keratinized. There are no hair follicles. It has a distinct basement membrane. It is underlied by some smooth muscle fibers, perhaps here, a lot of fibroblasts and collagen, and a lot of blood vessels. Here's an artery, here's a vein. Well, that's probably an artery, that's probably an artery, and that's probably a vein. This could be a lot of things, couldn't it? It could be an ectocervix, possibly. It could be maybe an esophagus. I doubt it. Could it be a cheek? Could it be an anal canal? It probably could be, because these all have non-keratinized squamous mucosa. But in this case, it's a vagina. And a vagina is nothing more than a non-keratinized stratified squamous mucosa. The cells are frequently very, very, very vacuolated as well. They're rich in glycogen, a nice basement membrane, a lot of connective tissue and smooth muscle underneath. Here's a nice artery, here's a small artery, and there's a regular vein. And that's a classical appearance of the human vagina, and I thank you very much.